Well, somebody want to see what it's like when Myra's a little busy out here. She says, what's it like when there's people actually getting stuff here? Hey, hey. Hey.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
The girl in the...
Hello, hello.
The girl in the oink oink. Oink oink.
Hello, girls.
Papadala ka sa radyan.
Look at this dude. This is a big dude. You can't even see him. You got to go down until I get you in the light. Oh, there you go.
I got the chicken.
Oh, you got some chicken. Good, good.
Hello.
Hey there. This is the karaoke guy. He runs the karaoke for all the machines around. Well, hey, how you doing? I haven't got a light on it. Everything's too dark. Can I hide? Hide. Okay, hon.
Yes.
I'm going in. I gotta get a Coke. I should get an MP. Hey.